Unit 10, Health. Vocabulary. Do taekwondo. Do yoga. Draw pictures. Have a healthy diet. Play a musical instrument. Play brain training games. Play table tennis.
Challenging. Great. Healthy. Interesting. Keep fit. Relax after college. Relaxed. Relaxing. Work in a team.
Pronunciation, contractions. It's good for you. It isn't good for you. It's really bad for you. It's important to stay healthy. You shouldn't eat junk food. Should and shouldn't. I shouldn't eat lots of junk food. It isn't good for my body. I should try to do more exercise. It's important to stay healthy. Playing the piano makes me feel relaxed. You should try it. You shouldn't study late at night. It's really bad for your health. People should play board games, like chess. It's good for your mind. You shouldn't ask your friend to do your homework. Describe an activity you like doing to keep healthy. You should say what it is, when and where you do it, how it keeps you healthy, and explain why you like doing it. Band 5 sample. I want to talk about playing football, which is an activity I like doing to keep healthy. I usually play football in the schoolyard or at the park near my house. I play in the afternoon, 2 or 3 times a week with my friends. It's a team sport, so I can work in a team and have fun. Playing football is very healthy because it helps me keep fit. It's sometimes challenging, but after the game, I feel very relaxed. I think it's also interesting because every match is different. I like playing football because it's a great way to relax after school, and it's really relaxing when I run on the field. That's why I enjoy this activity a lot.